Let us practice working with negative exponents. Negative exponents make the number reciprocal. Remember that. Here we have two questions for you. Question A is evaluate 2 over 3 to the power of minus 1 plus 1 over 2 to the power of minus 2, and part B is 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 3 to the power of minus 1 divided by difference of 2 to the power of minus 1 and 3 to the power of minus 1. I'd like you to pause the video, solve, and then check with my solution. Now, in this case, since it is minus 1 as an exponent, so we'll get reciprocal of 2 over 3, which is 3 over 2, right? So it becomes 3 over 2. Now in this case, 1 over 2 to the power of minus 2. Minus means it becomes 2, right? Or 2 over 1. No need to write 1 in the denominator, but square. So it is 2 squared. So that is what our term is. So the second term is 2 squared. So the expression becomes 3 over 2 plus 2 squared. Now to add them, what we need is a common denominator, right? So let me first write this as just 3 over 2 plus 4, and 4 means 4 over 1. So we can write this with a common denominator of 2. So we get 3 plus 4 times 2 is 8, and our answer is 11 over 2, right? Well, you could write this as 5.5. So that is how we can solve this question. You could have added 3 over 2 is 1.5, 4 plus 1.5, 5.5. Well, either way, we get 5.5 as our answer. Now let's try to see how we can evaluate this particular expression. Now, let's look into it closely. Numerator is 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 3 to the power of minus 1. Let me first write down here. Reciprocal of 2, that means 1 over 2, right? Plus, that is 1 over 3. Do you see that? Divided by 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. So this is the expression which we are trying to evaluate now, correct? So let's evaluate this expression. So what do we get here? Common denominator in the numerator is 2 times 3, 6. So we have 6 as a common denominator. To make 6, I have to multiply this by 3 and that by 2. So I have 3 plus 2 in the numerator divided by, in the denominator also I do have 6 as a common denominator, and you can say cross multiply. So you get 3 minus 2. So either of those two methods can work, right? So cross multiply, or just multiply both numerator and denominator by the same term to make common denominator. Now with this, we get 3 plus 2 is 5. So we get 5 over 6 divided by 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 over 6. So when we say divided by, it means 5 over 6 multiplied by 6 over 1. It's reciprocal. Do you see that? That's what it means, right? Now, 6 divided by 6 is 1, right? So we are left with 5, and we get our answer as 5. So that is how we can solve this particular expression. I hope that's absolutely clear to you. Thank you.